Alright, so in this video I'm demonstrating how to make a straight through patch cable. So the first thing you have to do is you strip the wire, or the coating around the wire, to expose the wires. When you do that, you'll see there's 4 pairs of wires twisted together. You just untwist them as I'm demonstrating here, down to the base. Alright, then here I'm straightening the wires a little bit so they're a little easier to work with because I have to organize them in a certain order. Now here I'm trying to organize them in the right order. You could organize a straight through cable one of 2 ways. The way that I'm choosing is orange white, then orange, then green white, then solid blue, then blue white, then solid green, then brown white, and solid brown. And once I appear to have them in the order, I'm going to go ahead and grab a snipping tool and snip away to make them smaller so I can terminate them in an kjhild87 connector. I get them all snipped. I check to see if snipping them got them out of order, and I try to straighten them a little bit more so they're easier to terminate. And I'm checking for evenness, like a haircut. When I see that a couple wires are a little longer, I try to snip the access off. And then now I continue to make sure they're in the right order. Okay, once I have them in the correct order, I grab a kjhild87 connector cable, and the way you want to put it in is with the end with a tab opposite of you. So the smooth side facing you, so you terminate it correctly and not backwards. As you can see, this is a very long, it's a very tedious process to try to get everything to work out the way you want it to. Okay, here I'm just checking to make sure all the connections are okay inside and all the pins are pushed to the top before I crimp it down to terminate the cable, because once you terminate the cable you can't go back. And here I am finally terminating it right here. Alright, that's how to make a straight through patch cable. Thanks guys.